What's up, everybody? Car Guy 302 back with another video. If you caught the last episode, then you guys know that I installed the Active Auto Works newly released equal length mid pipe on my G80 M3 that you see there behind me. And if you guys caught that video, you know it sounds absolutely amazing. So I started to think, what else can I do that would help in the sound department with this car? So I picked up right here the Carbahn exhaust valve controller. Guys over at Carbahn sent this right out. I did pay for overnight shipping because I wanted to make sure I have it in hand to make this video. So I'm going to get this installed. We're going to see what kind of difference it makes with the sound of the car, having full control of the valves and be able to open them up 100%. Because as you know, with the OEM valve controller, you don't get the valves open 100%. And we want all that sound on this channel. So let's get started getting this installed and see what we got. All right, everybody, let's get this thing unpacked, see what's inside the box, and we're going to get it installed, so stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here you have it. I have the exhaust valve controller unpackaged, weatherproof box, looks really high quality. Again, we have two really nice remotes. If you could check it out here, you have the number 1 button opens it, number 2 button reverts back to stock operation. Really simple, clean kit. I paid $540. So pricing is in line with other options, but so let's get this thing installed and see how it works. All right, everybody, I got the car up on the ramps. We're ready to start the install. Again, this is a waterproof unit that you see here, so you can mount it anywhere. I'm gonna look for somewhere, like maybe in the rear fender liner. It does come with double-sided tape. One thing to keep in mind, if you could see, both plugs, there's a short end that you see there, and then there's a long end. So keep that in mind, that the short end, you wanna keep as close as possible where you're gonna mount this. So next time you see this, it's going to be hidden on there, and we're going to be opening the valves 100%. So let's get this party started. All right, everybody, I got the box mounted. I have the wires ran. I tested the functionality, and the valves are opening and closing with the remote just as they should. But before I button everything up, I'm going to give you a glimpse underneath the car, show you how I routed the wires and where I'm going to mount the box. I mean, this install is easy, brother. I'm telling you, anybody can do it. So let's get under the car so you can see what I got done so far. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so you have one exhaust valve here and you have one exhaust valve here. What I did was I just fed the wires right through here. You can use your hand to help feed them through, and they pop out right there and connect to your valve controller. So again, these wires, they ran through there. Then I ran them up into this rear fender liner. I just took these two screws out here and here, and that's what gave me access to get the box mounted right in there. It is a weatherproof box, but being inside here will help keep it protected a little bit more. So again, install super easy. Took me roughly so far a minute, about 10 minutes. Since I'm under here, why don't you guys get a glimpse of that beautiful Active Auto Works equal length mid pipe. So let's get this thing wrapped up and see what it sounds like with full control of the valve. Okay, install is done. Let's jump inside, get the car started, and we'll get the valves open 100%. So let's get it fired up. Now this is just OEM. Valves are not open at the moment. M1, you can hear the change. Now let's open it. Okay. Stock. Open. Yeah, you can hear. Let's jump outside and check that out. Okay, that's stock right there. Now let's open the valves. Woo! You hear the difference? My God. Again, OEM. Open the valves 100%. You hear that difference? Stock. Valves open. Let's get a couple revs. Let's see. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna jump out of the car. We're gonna get the, we're gonna do some drive-bys with the valves open and the valves closed. So stay tuned. I'm gonna change the screen. Check this out. Love how this changes. That's sport mode, and then since I got you here, here's track mode. Activate track. As you can see, it turns off the screen completely. So you just have the vital information there in front of you: tire, temp, and pressure. So let's go back to sport mode. And all right, well, I'm gonna jump out, get this camera set up. All right, everybody, we got the Carbahn exhaust valve controller installed on the G80 M3. Super easy install. We gained a few decibels in sound, and it only cost $540, so it didn't break the bank. The car sounds fantastic now. We have the AA equal length mid pipe paired with the Carbahn exhaust valve controller. We have those valves open 100%, and this S58 is singing a song that we all love to hear. Hopefully you guys loved this video, and if you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.